Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson, President of LMA Consulting Group and the Innovation Awards Chair for today's Manufacturing Summit of the Inland Empire. We had a really amazing event amidst rain and pouring. We had a nice turnout, and I was really excited to give out several innovation awards to some leading companies in the Inland Empire that are driving millions of dollars of savings, as well as superior customer experiences with new products, and to see the future of the manufacturing and supply chain profession and what they did to help a local manufacturer achieve just vast night and day differences in their manufacturing operations. So it was very exciting to give out the innovation awards and also to see some of our keynote speakers. For example, Tesla and Fender Guitar both talked today about the importance of people and innovation. It wasn't planned that the themes would be aligned, but they absolutely were. And that's because those are really the core components of success in manufacturing. And it was really interesting to hear the different ways they've gone about finding top talent in today's tough marketplace to find good people, and also how they've been really successful on the lean journey and in working closely with customers to achieve that. And then I really enjoyed the state of the manufacturing conversation from the national point of view, the California point of view, and the local point of view. And I'm really, really excited that the Inland Empire has manufacturing growth of over 18%. Compared to the national average of 13%, and compared to California, which is around 5.5%. So we're actually leading the nation when it comes to manufacturing growth in a state that is quite challenging to thrive in from a manufacturing point of view. So what that means is that the Inland Empire companies are using innovation and leveraging their people and talent to make that happen. And to do it in a sustainable way, and to do it in a way that is collaborative. So that's another lesson learned from today, is one of the award winners was talking with me after the conference and said that was one of the key takeaways, is why not be more involved with the community and find ways to collaborate with other local manufacturers and supply chain organizations to make 1 + 1 = 54. So we hope that you'll join us again next year for the Manufacturing Summit. And from the APICS Inland Empire point of view, we have an upcoming executive panel and networking symposium on the talent transformation, people or robots. It's a very hot topic. It's going to be on April 13th at Harvey Mudd College, and I hope you'll join us there. And from the LMA Consulting Group point of view, we look forward to collaborating with you and partnering with you to improve not only your customer performance and having superior customer experiences, but to do that while making money, going to the bottom line. And in today's economy, it's going to be really, really important that we get a good handle on our inventory, as customers want what they want, where they want it, when they want it, and maybe not even if they've told us about it ahead of time. So we have to have a really strong inventory strategy so that we can keep cash turning at quick levels and have available capacity and flexibility to flex up. So I look forward to seeing you at the next event.